And there's no aspect, no facet, no moment of life that can't be improved with pizza. Thank you.
Hey there! If you want to learn how I do my fake press-on nails, just keep on watching. Okay, first things first, you want to go ahead and buff your nails to make sure that they're considerably smooth. You don't want any old nail polish or anything on them, you know. Then you want to trim the tips of your nails and your cuticles. After you do that, go ahead and file the tips of your nails, what's left of them anyway, and make sure they're nice and smooth. You also want to make sure that you remove any oils from the surface of your nail plate. And then take some acetone and remove the residue from that. These press-on nails are from Amazon. Everything will be linked below. You select the numbers that match your fingernails and then you put them on. Now, before you put them on, make sure that they fit properly. Measure them on each nail. They shouldn't be too big or too small. And this is something that I personally like to do. It's a nail bond for acrylic. I just like it because I feel like when I use this in a combination with the nail glue, everything just sticks on a lot better and it lasts longer. So you can get this if you want to or not. It's totally up to you. After I let that dry for a little bit, I'm going to take my NAILENE glue. This is also from Amazon. And I just put about 3 drops down the center and spread it around my nail plate. Then I like to get as close as I can to the cuticle and lay the whole nail down over my nail bed. Now the reason why I do this is because I want it to be on correctly, and I also want the glue to spread across the nail underneath it. So you can usually tell if it's on right by the color of the nail on your nail bed. And it should look something like that. After that, go ahead and file the ends of your nails. Usually full press-on nails have a little snip thingy at the end. Just get that off. Yeah, so next we're going to pick a color. This is from London Town. These are beautiful lacquers. And I'm just gonna pick the lavender one because it's really pretty and it's the color that I've been loving here lately. What you want to do is take your time painting over the nails, paint the whole nail, and keep in mind that using fast dry formulas is really important, especially if you ain't got time for your nails to be drying. And the nail polish usually dries pretty quickly on press-on nails anyway. London Town has some really awesome top coats too. They have a matte one and they also have a ridge filler. What? So check them out. Personally, I like for my nails to be shiny, you know, cause I'm something like a bird, you know. I like things that sparkle and whatnot. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. You come here. Yes, you. Come here. Go ahead and watch these videos right here. And make sure you subscribe, sis. Because, I mean, I'm waiting and everything is right here for you, obviously. So, get her done. Bye.